Hi, I'm Bob Soom, process engineer at WCS Industries.
And I'm Ricky Latta, product engineer. And today we're going to take you on a virtual tour of our 50,000 square foot manufacturing facility located in Muskego, Wisconsin, where we produce over 160 million springs and wire forms each year. Specializing in high volume parts, WCS has implemented a number of dedicated manufacturing cells in order to streamline the production process. This cell coils the springs, then transfers them directly to a bowl feeding into the grinder. Parts are blown out of the grinder and into an inline oven for stress relief baking. A part carousel catches and counts the springs coming out of the oven, giving us the ability to run the cell for up to 8 hours unattended, with the exception of quality checks. Besides being efficient, a dedicated cell also improves the quality of the product. Parts are being 100% gauged, while the same production run is still being coiled. Any quality issues found at gauging can quickly be adjusted at the coiler. To assist with special packaging requirements, a robotic arm collaborates with our wire forming machine to package up to 8 boxes worth of parts without the help of an operator. Material is received in coil form and certified to meet the customer's physical and chemical requirements. We work with many common spring materials such as music wire, chrome silicon, stainless steel 302, and 17.7. We pride ourselves on having a wide variety of state-of-the-art spring making and wire forming machines that produce compression, extension, and torsion springs, along with custom-designed wire form. Here we see a torsion spring being made complete on one of our wire forming machines. We offer torsion springs between 006 and 156 wire diameter, and with multiple leg configurations specific to customer needs. Our extension springs have the same wire diameter range as our torsion springs. One critical feature of extension springs are their hooks, which we offer in various configurations, including crossover hooks, machine hooks, and extended hooks. This machine utilizes a camera to ensure 100% of the spring's hooks are formed properly. The camera gives an output to automatically sort out any deformed hooks. This is just one example of how WCS constantly strives to find solutions that ensure quality products. Here we are generating a wire form, which is used as a linkage on a small engine. Our state-of-the-art equipment offers nearly endless wire form design configurations. We also offer straightened and cut pieces of wire. This part is made complete with a chamfered end to ease into assembly. Our compression spring capabilities range from 0.006 thousandths of an inch up to over 1/4 of an inch in wire diameter. Based on the spring geometry, compression spring coilers can cycle up to 15,000 parts per hour. The free length of each individual spring is measured by the spring coiler as the spring is being formed. The coiler uses the free length measurements to automatically sort any out of tolerance parts and to ensure the free length is properly centered per the customer print. This coiler uses a high precision camera to sort free length tolerances as tight as 2 thousandths of an inch. Almost every spring is subjected to a stress relief bake after coiling in order to maximize performance and fatigue life. WCS Industries prides itself as being spring grinding experts. The reason we grind the ends of compression springs is to hold tighter free length and load tolerances, as well as ensuring that the part stands square. We utilize both crush grinding and downfeed grinding techniques to guarantee the best finish possible. WCS Industries is dedicated to being as efficient as possible. One way we strive for that goal is through automation. Vibratory bowl feeding is a technology that uses vibration to convey parts. These grinders are fed by a vibratory bowl through an escapement and into a grinding plate without the use of any manual labor. Bowls allow us to feed at faster rates and to lower our costs. We have the capability through bowl feeding to grind at a rate of up to 18,000 parts per hour. WCS produces millions of springs for the automotive industry. Often, these springs require extremely tight tolerances, which make it necessary to 100% gauge the loads and rates of each part. Specialty automated spring gauging equipment is able to sort out any out-of-tolerance parts at speeds of up to 6,000 pieces per hour. Our Keyence vision system allows us to measure even the most complex parts and dimensions. State-of-the-art spring load testers accurately measure the loads and rates of compression, extension, and torsion springs. We have developed a dedicated cleanliness testing room. This allows us to ensure that we provide parts meeting strict automotive cleanliness requirements. Cycle testing is a service we offer to ensure the longevity of your product. We have the capability to cycle test compression, extension, and torsion springs. Our tester can also provide a heated environment designed to replicate conditions in the spring's application. We use Global Shop for our ERP system, which controls the company's forms and processes. We are an ISO and IATF certified company. A continuous improvement process is implemented company-wide and reviewed on a weekly basis. Our warehouse offers a climate-controlled environment to store your products. Thank you for joining us today on a virtual tour of our Muskego, Wisconsin facility. At WCS Industries, we partner with our customers to provide the metal components their products need. Our promise is to be the spark that ignites collaboration, top-notch engineering, and superior products.